Election is important, and for every election we never take things for granted. We have to work hard. Every election is very tough. We are not overconfident, nor are we underconfident, nor are we relaxed. We are working very hard on it, but we are very happy that we are being able to present a very good candidate. We have seen that Dr. Nonglait, not only being maybe one of the most qualified people among the Khasi community, he is also a person who is very deeply involved in society. He is deeply involved in the development process of the state. He is deeply involved in the activities of the church. And more importantly, he is very genuinely working to make things better for our people and for our state. I can only say that it will be a proud moment for the people of our state to see a person like Dr. Nonglait raise his voice and raise the concerns of the people of Meghalaya on the floor of the House. A man who can convince Government of India with facts, a person who can speak with authority, a person who has got in-depth knowledge of almost every subject, a person who will be able to confidently and proudly go to any minister, even to the Honorable Prime Minister, and present the case and different issues of Meghalaya. I think that is really what this election is about. And I strongly feel that Dr. Nonglait is the right person. I know that elections are there, the different political parties are there, but I think in this election we have to look beyond just party. This election is beyond just politics basic. This election is really about Khasi Hills, Jayante Hills and the people of this area, and to be able to send a representative who can really take up the issues of our region and of the state as a whole. And that's why this election is important, crucial, and I think we are very lucky that a person like Dr. Nonglait of his capacity is today our candidate. And we are working very hard, not taking things easy. We will work hard and we will ensure that we do whatever we can to make Dr. Nonglait successful in this coming by-election.